So we are studying about the small business, and we studied some of the problems faced by the small business. Next we have to study is about the government assistance to small industries and the small business units. How the government is supporting the small industrial units, or what are the supports provided. Keeping in view the contribution of small business to employment generation, balanced regional development of the country, and promotion of exports. The Government of India's policy thrust has been on establishing, promoting and developing the small business sector, particularly the rural industries and the cottage and village industries in backward areas. Governments, both at the central and the state level, have been actively participating in promoting self-employment opportunities in rural areas by providing assistance in respect of infrastructure, finance, technology, training, raw material and marketing. So there are so many different type of activities, or the government is providing a lot amount of support, like there are financial supports are there. Just like if anybody interested to start a business, then easy bank loans are provided. Okay, and bank loan is there. Along with that, the government is providing some kind of subsidy and so on, or purchasing some tractor or purchasing some equipments and so on. At that time, the government is providing the finance, and along with that, they give some subsidy. Subsidy in the sense that like discount, so like if you are paying the if that total, if you imagine that if you are going to purchase a tractor, and if the value of or the cost of the tractor is 8 lakh rupees, so you have to, you will be getting the tractor, and you may have to pay only 5 lakh rupees. The remaining 3 lakh will be paid by the government. You understand? So the government will, it is not a discount from the shop, you can purchase from the shop, but the remaining money will be paid by the government, or government will purchase the tractor and distribute it to the farmers or people those who are doing the work, and the government will give in a discounted amount. Actual cost is 8 lakh, but only 5 lakh we have to pay. Do you understand? So, or sometimes we may have to pay them full money, but sometimes we will get back refunding of money and all. So such type of supports are provided. Like technology, in better technologies are there, as I told you, like a purchasing machinery, and they will bring some machineries and they provide better facility. All these type of helps are provided by the government, and also like a supply of raw materials, bringing good quality raw materials and supplying to them, especially making industrial areas where they provide a lot amount of facilities, like they will have power supply, continuous power supply will be there. Okay, so 24 hours, like in our area, we have some few hours electricity cut is there. Continuously power supply is not there. But in industrial areas, they provide a full, almost at least during the daytime, they will give full power supply, so that the machines can work. Most of the machines are working in electricity, and those can work on this one. So such kind of supports are there. Then there are different type of supports are there that we will study, categorized in different classes, like institutional support. There are some institutions which provide support to the small scale industries and small businesses, or cottage industries and so on. So what are these institutions? National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD. So you might have heard of this one. NABARD is a National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development. So the government has established a particular bank for supporting the agricultural and other development activities in the rural areas. NABARD was set up in 1982 to promote integrated rural development. Since then, it has been adopted a multi-pronged, multi-purpose strategy for the promotion of rural business enterprises in the country. Apart from agriculture, it supports small industries, cottage and village industries, and rural artisans using credit and non-credit approaches. The offers counseling and consultancy services and organizes training and development program for rural entrepreneurs. So this NABARD is providing like financial facilities and giving some training and other type of services. What is, they will understand the need of the people, small business and entertainment entrepreneurs are there, and they will be supporting the people like that. Then next one is the Rural Small Business Development Center, RSBDC. Okay, it is the first of its kind set up by the World Association for Small and Medium Enterprises and is sponsored by NABARD. It works for the benefit of socially and economically disadvantaged individuals and groups. It aims at providing management and technical support to current and prospective micro and small entrepreneurs in rural areas. Since its inception, RSBDC has organized several programs on rural entrepreneurship, skill upgradation workshop, mobile clinics and trainers training programs, awareness and counseling camps in various villages of Noida, Greater Noida and Ghaziabad. So these are some of the areas where these more number of small businesses are there. So they are providing some kind of program supporting training or these type of programs are provided. They conduct and it is like if a small businessman is there and if he has to go for a training or participate in a training, it is not possible. See, like these trainers and all are coming, or if they want to get a training, big companies, larger scale companies, they can conduct, they can invite people like experts are there. So if we are calling an expert for getting a training, it will they will charge a very huge money. You know, I'm conducting like seminars or conducting these kinds of. They will need to have some like they have to book some hotels and all, and their stay has to be arranged, their food has to be arranged. All those who are participating, all these type of things. So these big companies and all, they will organize these things. But for a small industries, it is not possible, and that is why they will not get a proper training. Or trained employees cannot be also all the already trained employees will not be interested to participate or join in the small industries because they don't. If see, like if I am a trained person, I can expect more salary. You know, so like if I am unskilled labor, then if I don't know anything, see, and then anybody will not give much salary. You know, so if according to the knowledge that the person is having, based on that only they will be giving a salary. So if a person is already skilled one, if he has already undergone training and training is there, then he can apply for a higher jobs. Big industries they will try, and those who are coming to the small industries they will be mostly untrained ones. And these small scale industries are there; they don't have much money to train them. So these type of organizations will arrange programs for training them and trying to develop them, understand what is their problems, and some kind of a workshop, some seminars and all will be conducted, and give them proper information about improving their qualities. Then next one is a National Small Industries Corporation, NSIC. This was set up in 1955 with a view to promote, aid and foster the growth of small business units in the country. This focuses on economical aspects of these functions. So the functions of National Small Industries Corporation supply indigenous and imported machines on easy hire purchase terms. So say as I told you, like big machines are there. So those machines a small scale industry will not be able to purchase. So these organizations, like these organizations, they will purchase the machine and they keep it, they will make it available, and small scale industries, those who want to make use of it, they can make use of it by like they can hire this one, okay, for rent or taking for lease. All these things will be possible. So they can take it and use it for their own uses. After that they have to return. Only it is like one machine may be costing 10 crore rupees, 5 crore rupees like that. Okay, but for purchasing that, even see like some farmers and all are there, they are unable to purchase a tractor, so they will call a tractor and use it like a hire it, you know, per hour you have to pay, or JCB if you want to call. So like that. So such a way, big industrial machines are also there. So see, if we like a packing machine is there, so a small scale industry, package machine is not required all throughout the year. Okay, so like in 1 month, if there's like one packaging machine, its capacity may be like 10,000 product. So 10,000 product it can pack at a time, or in a very 1 or 2 days time. So if this is small scale industries will not be manufacturing that many number of products. Okay, so when they produce like they will take maybe 1 month time for manufacturing this. So only for one day, and this 10,000 products together, they can pack it in one day time. Okay, so for that, if they have to purchase a machine, it is not possible. Okay, and this machine they have to purchase and keep it only for one day, and remaining 29 days in a month, it will be left empty. So it is not possible. First of all, the cost is very high. Secondly, if you are purchasing it, it will not be able to use like that. Okay, so these type of institutions, they will provide. See, like if one machine is purchased, one day, like in one area itself, there may be like 10-20 small scale industries. So one machine is enough, or for all 20 units. So one day it can be taken to one company, another industry. So it will, in this way, it will be adjusted and used. So such a way it can be made. Then procure, supply and distribute indigenous and imported raw materials. So another one is that like getting the raw materials, so high quality raw materials are may not be able to purchase by the small scale industries alone. One person has a only single one, they may not be able to purchase. But these NSIC, they will purchase for bulk quantity. Like there are maybe 10 small scale industries or 20 small scale industries will be there, and they will purchase the raw materials required for all these 20 industries, and they will be supplying them. So when they purchase it, they will get the same benefit of larger scale industries they will get, because when they purchase the very huge quantity, then the price of the product will be very much low. Okay, so that benefit they can enjoy. Then export the products of small business units and develop export worthiness. Another one is that, see, like exporting. So if you want to export a product, then also, see, like if I am running a small scale industry, and if I am having some 100 products, and if I have to export this 100 product, the cost of this 100 product exporting will be almost equal to like 1,000 product. Okay, so like see, there are some minimum charges are there for everything. Like imagine that if you are, see, for example, if like we are having some small unit is there, and we have to take it to Lucknow. Okay, so we have only 100 product, but one truck, we have to call a truck and carry it, but one truck can carry maybe 500 product. Okay, but we have only 100 product. So for that means if you are calling then full, like if one truck has to be called, 500 product can be carried, but only 100 can be kept there, then also we have to call the truck. And the money for the truck, if we are carrying 100 products or 500 products, same price. Do you understand? So if a big company is there, then they are sending 500 products, then if they are exporting, so for that also the charges are like that. See, like if we are taking a ship or a container, if we are taking, even if one container full of content is not there, if only half is there, then also we have to pay the money for the full container. Do you understand? So if 100 packets, 100 products are there, but it will be only half of the container only there, then also they have to pay the money for the food. Okay, so such a way. And if it is can be adjusted with the other company, they make sometimes they make collaboration with other companies also. 2-3 companies mix up together, then they combine product like 500 is the capacity, then they will collect 500 together and send it. But then also it will be like a costly will be there. Okay, so these kinds of these institutions like NSIC will be collecting products from different people, and they will be exporting. So it is like if one company is producing 100 product, another company may be producing 200 product, another may be 300 product. So 2-3 companies together, then they will get one container full of, or one truck full of materials can be there. So for exporting, it will become easier. Okay, and also if we want to export the product to the foreign country, their demand will be like a higher demand will be there. Okay, number of products will be very high, like 1,000 product, 10,000 product, like that quantity will be required. And if one industry may not be able to produce that much, so these type of institutions, they will combine, group together, and they will help in the exporting of this product. Then mentoring and advisory services. So if like some kind of businesses, some industries may be having some kind of problems, so then these units, they will conduct, they will find out a solution for that. So if there are any kind of repairment are required, or any kind of changes are required, so such kind of activities will be done, and some advisors, some helps and advice will be provided. Some advisory service means that's like if you are going to produce a new product. Big companies, they have like advisory board and all is there, research group is there, all these type of things are there. So they will conduct a survey on the market and they will study about these things, what is the requirement, they will understand the requirement of the people, then they will produce a product. But this is not possible by the small scale industries. Okay, so small scale industries, in order to get this information, but they also need to know, like if you imagine that if we are dealing with a cloth manufacturing company, okay, dresses are there, costumes are there. You can see that every year you will find or every day there are new dresses, new styles are coming. Okay, new fashions, changing of fashion. So this changing of fashion, if a small scale industry is there where they are producing the product, like they are making like a jeans or a shirt and all and distributing. So these changes in the market, big companies, big brands will be there. So they will be making new trend. They will be conducting like a market survey and all. They will conduct and they will understand what is the need of the people. Then according to that, they will produce the product. They can design new. They hire models. They take designers. They make new designs. They display some fashion shows and all are there in that they will display. And they will get like a promotion and all will be there, so people will be interested. So then they will get a high grades and such a way a new trend will be made. But this is not possible by a small scale industry. They cannot have designers may not be there. They cannot hire models and display in some fashion shows or something like that. It is not possible for them. Okay, so. But they need if big companies are there, so in order to compete with them, the same type of design or same type of styles they need to make. Otherwise, if you now see like pencil fit band is there. Okay, so in the market all are using pencil fit band and if one is using very wide one, then it is not good, isn't it? So if one company is producing such kind of a band, nobody will demand for it. Earlier the band was there like from here to down, all same width was, isn't it? You might have seen all the movies and all you might have seen it was there. So band was there means same, there is no any reduction, means from the top to bottom single line it was going. Jeans also was coming like that. Earlier it was there, just like band, it was not very tight, it was not there, isn't it? Then after that it became like so it started becoming smaller. Now it became like a skin fit, like leggings only, like girls are wearing leggings, like that boys are wearing jeans also. Skin fit, like elastic and all is there, elasticity is there, so you can attach it and wear it like that. So these are the new trend. After that, see like they started getting cut, isn't it? Somebody was there, some famous hero, somebody his pant was cut, and he. In a movie, when he was coming for a movie, it was got cut up. So it became a fashion. There is a story like that about you know about Michael Jackson, no? So this Michael Jackson was there, and there's a speciality of him that he is having very tight schedule. Okay, so like if there are programs are there. So he has got a very tight programs. Like one day, imagine that one program is there in Lucknow. After that, another program will be in Haraya. After that, he will have another program in Gorakhpur. So such a way he will be going. So what he is doing is that he will give the time, exact time. He will come, he will do the performance, and he will go. But before that, he will send his members. His crew is there. His members like dancers or stage setup. Arrangements are there, so he will send people there. So he will come exactly like if 8 o'clock, imagine that in our school if function is there, so he will come exactly at 8 o'clock. So he will try to come. He will plan it like that. See, like if the program will be getting over, maybe in Lucknow it will be getting over by 6 o'clock. So 2 hours time is required for coming from there to here. So such a way he will calculate 2 or 3 hours. So then 9 o'clock if the program is to be over. So started here, so that time only will be there. So in between that, while coming and all, he will have his food or something like that. He will not spend time like that. So such a way he is having program. So such a way, once there was a program, okay, and this program was there. It was in a college, big college is there. So many people are there, boys, girls, all are there. So they are ready and they are very big functioning. And in this college, he was supposed to come. Maybe imagine that at 8 o'clock he has to come. Okay. So he was coming, and on the way he was about to reach. Imagine that he is coming like that. And in our school function is there. Okay. So but he reached up to this petrol pump, and there is a jam is there. Traffic block is there. Okay, so he actually, if he has to come with the car, then he has to go from behind, then from there rotate and come. But if he wants to walk and come, now there is a passage is there. Imagine that this passage, earlier this passage was not there. Okay, so here fencing was made. So it was the situation like that. So he had to go a little more early, like around 1 kilometer distance. He had to go forward if he has to go through the proper path. But if he is to walk and go in order to enter the compound, he can walk and go. Okay, so the driver was there, he was waiting there, and he exactly reached there, but when he reached there, it was just 5 minutes before the program. Okay, so if he is waiting there in the traffic block, and if the block is getting clear, and after that if he is entering into the stage, then his time will be lost. So what he did is that he told the driver that you can come and I will be going. So the driver had told that there is a small passage here, but you can go through this way. So then he went there. But when he came near to this compound wall is there, so he jumped and jumped from the compound wall, climbed on the compound wall and jumped in, and he came forward and he came to the stage, and then he started performing exactly at 8 o'clock. 5 minutes time was there. He reached on the top on the stage and he started playing, and he started singing, dancing, all things. So he was standing like that and singing, but when he turned, then his back was turned. Means that when he jumped from the compound wall, there was like this needles and all are kept, nails are there. So in that his pant was caught up and it was turned like that. Okay. Then he did not know, because he jumped from there, nobody has seen, and he came to the stage. Somebody might have seen, but they were afraid, so he was busy. Nobody told him. So he went on the stage and he performed it and he went back. Next day onwards, these school children, those college members are there. All of them new nice jeans they have purchased and torn it. All backside they have made it and come to the school. So this became a fashion. So like that. So you might have seen like the faded pant is there. Jeans faded. How it is getting faded means that like some people, some film stars and all are there. Shah Rukh Khan or like that, some people, they kept the some after washing they might have dropped it somewhere, and it that because of over sunlight that some area got faded. And they started wearing this one and coming to the movie. Then next time this faded this one came, fashion. After that, somebody's pant was got cut and he appeared in a movie. After that, this became a fashion, damaged fashion. And some another person is there who the pant is just like crushed, So some movie actor, he came and after washing he did not get much time to iron and all, and he came with a crushed style. So that became another fashion. So such a way, the new fashions are coming in that way. So these fashions are there, these trends are there. So big industries are developing these type of trends. So according to when a trend is changing, so they will make new fashions, new styles. They understand the requirement of big companies are there. They understand the requirement of the people. They know that they will try to make a new changes. In America and all, they say that it's like these jeans they put in hanger and they shoot and make holes there. And with that they are wearing this like damaged jeans, like they are making fashion like that. For that they will put a band on the hanger and shoot it with gun. So then it will make a hole. So that hole will be there, both sides it will be there. So such a way it will get display. Okay.
Your jeans will what? Without jeans?
Okay. So these new trends and new technologies will be there. So those things they may not be able to acquire for small scale industries. So then these units will be. This National Small Industries Corporation will be trying to develop these things for them. Okay. Then sir was technology business incubators. Means that helping them to bring up new technologies. Updation in the technology, new machine will be there, a machinery or a new method of producing will be there, so there will be advancement in the technologies. So the small scale industries may not be able to cope with the changes that is taking place, so then they will be helping them. Creating awareness on a technological upgradation. So then see like new technologies are coming up. It's like earlier when we were watching, TV was there, small TV was there, and like a black and white TV it was. Okay. After that, color TV became, but it was big in size, like big TV was. Okay, big size, this big box like cartoon box, like big size was there. After that, that LED TV started, so it became very small, and now there are. LCD was there first. After that, LED came. Then now plasma, HD. So many things are there. So many varieties of designs of new.
Color TV,
So many varieties of things are coming. So these are the upgradation in the technology. Imagine that if we are also manufacturing TV and if we are producing TV and selling. But when there is like suddenly big companies, they bring up these changes. So we have to also upgrade accordingly. So all big companies are like we are selling black and white TV, and if big companies start selling color TV, and if we are making black and white TV and supplying in the market, nobody will purchase it. So we have to understand the need of the. So and also these small scale industries, they may not have idea of how to produce like a color TV or upgraded technology. They may not have an idea of how to produce these things or how to get this type of equipments or these ideas they may not have. So in order to acquire this information, they will try to give. Developing software technology parks and technology transfer centers. So they will like some like a techno park and all is there. Say like in Lucknow and all, it is the city areas. They are having some type of parks and things are there. So where park in the sense not like the park that we are going like, but in a big area there will be so many like industries, IT parks are there, IT companies and all will be there. So different type of facilities will be provided. Okay. A new scheme of performance and credit rating of a small business is implemented through National Small Industries Corporation with the twin objective of sensitizing the small industries about the need for credit rating and encouraging the small business units to maintain good financial track record. This is to ensure that they score higher rating for their credit requirements and when they approach the financial institutions for their working capital and investment requirements. So performance and credit rating system. So they started making like a rating of different companies. They give rating. So credit rating in the sense that like if a company, first of all they will calculate how much capacity is there for this company, how much credit this company can take, and when they are giving back this money, how much assets they are having, how much capacity is there, and the time required for paying back the. Like imagine that if a company is taking 10 lakh rupees loan, how much time they are taking for repaying it. Okay, if they pay back the money without any like if you are imagine that if we are taking a loan and we take it for like 5 years, if we are taking 5 lakh rupees, if you are taking 1 lakh rupees per year we have to pay. Okay, but sometimes what happens is that after 5 years also it will continue. Okay, so we may not be able to complete it. So such a way our credit rating will be going. Okay, so these companies they will lose their credit points. So this rating will be going down, and if their rating goes down, then next other companies or other institutions they will not be giving loans to them. If they have good rating, then if like they are taking loan and their financial performance is very nice, as well as they are paying the money on properly on time, then they can take more loan for next. Like if they are in need of like working capital required or investment requirements are there, at that time they can take more loans. Okay.